Right now, 400 miles beneath your feet, there's water. Not a puddle, not a lake. An entire ocean, holding 3 times more water than every sea on Earth's surface combined. So why isn't it flooding upward? Why did it take scientists decades to find it? And could it ever escape? Stick around, because the answer changes everything we knew about our planet. It all started with an earthquake. Seismic waves traveling through the deep earth suddenly slowed down beneath North America, as if they were moving through something wet. At first, nobody could explain it. The culprit is a crystal called Ringwoodite. This little blue mineral acts like a sponge, trapping water inside its structure under crushing pressure. And the deep mantle is absolutely packed with it. Take every ocean you've ever seen, then triple it. That's how much water is locked inside this hidden layer, called the transition zone. If it ever surfaced, only mountain peaks would remain as islands. But here's the part scientists didn't expect. This hidden ocean isn't just sitting there in the dark, silent and still. It's moving. And it's been moving for billions of years. That deep water lubricates the tectonic plates above it. Without this hidden ocean, there would be no drifting continents, no volcanoes, and possibly no life at all. It's the engine oil of our planet. Now look at Mars. Look at Venus. Both bone dry, inside and out. Some scientists believe the only reason Earth stayed alive is this exact hidden reservoir. Lose it, and we become just like them. So could it ever flood us? Relax. The same crushing pressure that traps the water also keeps it locked away. It would take forces beyond any earthquake to release it. You're safe. Probably. Think about that the next time you're standing at the beach, watching the waves roll in. The ocean you're looking at? It's the small one. Scientists. And in 2014, proof literally erupted from below. A diamond carried up by a volcano, with a drop of that deep water still trapped inside. A message in a bottle from 400 miles down. So, would you rather explore the deep earth or deep space? Tell me in the comments below. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button. See you in the next one.